opportunities are never lost. They are just taken by someone else. So, who's got some dough, Remy?
535.
535,000.
556.
556. Loving it. The machinations in the bidding. At 556,000 out of it now. At 560. Well, they've really pulled up the pony, but okay. Gentleman's asked me for a $1,000 bid. I'm saying no to that, Scotty. 5 is the minimum increment, but at 565, welcome, and that puts 4 on the stage in front. That's below my selling instructions. I'm not going to be placing a vendor, but I'll give him first opportunity to buy the property. Well, team, you heard it. We're on the market, and we are selling at 571,000 out of it now.
72.
Oh, you two were both at the same time, but I got it here. I got it here first, to be fair, at 572.
73.
73, welcome them back at 573. Playing for keeps at 573.
74.
74. So that puts, you got 4, Scotty, back in the play at 574.
75.
75 at 5 3/4 at 575. Gentlemen out back, you can interrupt me at any stage. Love you too, actually. But at 575. Yeah, of course. I'll take every 500, eh? Scotty, absolutely. We're not going to step over into the street. At 575 and a half, a bit now. Sing it down. Right. 76. 576.
Hey, get up.
Oh, sir. I love 76 and a half, and welcome into the race at 576,500 out of it now.
Yep.
Right, Vash, your man? Gone. Sir, well done. Goes it goes, and it is sold to you.